Seniors are flocking to our Senior Swans classes here at my studio, and indeed all over the world, because they have found a new form of exercise that's great and gentle on their joints, that is artistic, it's meaningful, and it's a lot of fun too. Into their 80s, so don't think you're ever too old to learn ballet. Anyone can now learn ballet.
I bring our Senior Swans classes to you at home so you can learn safely as a complete beginner. Our motto is it's never too late, so come on, join the flock with Senior Swans at home.